It's a plant's life. We begin our journey in early spring with a seed packet. Inside, we will find a small, happy little seed. This seed will go on an incredible journey of transformation. Watch closely as this seed goes through an entire life cycle. First, we remove our tiny little seed from its package. Look how small it is compared to a tomato. Now we take our tiny, happy little seed and bury him ever so carefully in the dirt in a plant pot in the house. Next, we add just a bit of water to the dirt and place our plant pot in a window where it will get sunlight. This will help the seed germinate. Germinate is when a seed sprouts and roots begin to grow and its leaves emerge from the soil. This is a time-consuming process where we have to wait. We wait and wait. We will need to wait approximately 14 days before our tiny little seed becomes a tiny little plant sprout. After waiting and watering our little seed buried in the dirt, finally, we see a change. Our tiny little seed has now made a great transformation. Now, our tiny little seed has become a tiny little sproutling. We need to continue to water our little sprout. Also, our newly emerged sprout needs sunshine to continue to be happy. Before long, more leaves begin to grow. Soon, there are dozens of leaves. Our sproutling is now becoming bigger. Our seed has transformed into a plant. When the weather is warm and there is no more danger of snow, we can take our little plant and move him outside. We need to select a nice place for our plant where he will receive lots of sunshine. We need to dig a hole to put our plant into. Carefully, we take our plant out of the pot where it has been living and place it into the ground outside. Every day we need to water our plant. Soon our plant has too many leaves to count. One day we notice our tomato plant has begun to get small little yellow flowers called blooms. Days go by and our happy plant displays beautiful yellow flowers. These yellow flowers attract bees and other insects. The bees are drawn to our tomato plant's yellow flowers. The bees visit the flowers, spreading the flower pollen from flower to flower. This is called pollination. Pollination is the process of transferring of pollen from the female reproductive organs of a plant, enabling fertilization to take place. This means that soon a tomato will develop where our pretty little yellow flower was. As more time goes by, our tomato plant grows bigger and the tomato continues to get larger. Right now, the growing tomato is green in color. With more time and water and sunshine, we begin to notice big changes in the size and color of our growing tomato. At the end of the summer, our tomato plant has grown tremendously, and now its tomato has turned a beautiful bright red. Finally, after waiting all summer, watering and watching our tomato seed go from seed to sprout to plant to having tomatoes growing, it is now time we can pick the tomato. This wonderful tomato is the result of the tiny little seed we planted in the dirt early in the spring. Now it is time to taste how delicious it is.